Chlorine is one of the most important chemicals in your pool, and every pool is going to consume chlorine at a different rate. We're going to recommend liquid chlorine as the primary source of chlorine for your pool. It has the least amount of byproducts and will have the best effect overall in your pool. Liquid chlorine is a non-stabilized form of chlorine, so it's going to have the best effect when it's applied at night after the sun goes down. Some of the other types of chlorine, like your chlorine tabs and shocks, are going to add a lot of products in your pool that you don't need. So by adding liquid chlorine, we're going to be able to keep your pool healthier longer. Applying liquid chlorine to the pool is a pretty simple process. You'll just want to be careful not to splash any chlorine onto your clothes or your body as you walk around the pool. So just get kind of low to the water and just evenly distribute the chlorine as you walk around the perimeter of the pool. Keeping proper chlorine levels in your pool is very important. This will help eliminate the possibility of algae in your pool, and it'll also keep your pool sparkling clean all the time.